ain't ready yet.
Oh my god. That shit looks so good.
Oh man.
I got her back. Oh, I got my baby back. Oh, I'm so excited. Y'all don't even understand. I really don't understand. Like, damn. Oh my shit. I feel like I haven't been in here in like fucking years. Yeah, damn. But look who's in the back seat though.
Take for a drive?
Yeah, let's go. Fuck it, fuck it. Oh,
You still sound good.
Damn, this shit is such a good feeling. Like, oh, I missed you, girl. I missed you. I should have slide this bitch. I ain't gonna do it.
You trying to do it?
I ain't gonna do it.
I feel like they want to see it though. You feel me? I feel like people want to see it. The content.
Should I do it?
Right here? You want to do it?
Nah, they gonna.
If they do it, I gotta go record.
They trying to get this shit to Atlanta.
Yeah,
you gotta hurry up. Let's go. Anyways, Keri's crew. I got Bambi back. I'm so excited. If you can't tell, it has been a long ass month, but I got her back. I'm coming back, and we about to go slide. Shit, fuck it.
Hey, Miami and Atlanta, you know that, right? You know what I mean, right?
Keri and Bambi in Atlanta. Fuck it.
Let go, man.
Let's go. Dude, it's so good.
You pick her up tomorrow. $315s on that too. 315s on there.
Yeah, because they was like, you know, you have the wrong size tires, and I was like, what you mean the wrong size tires? And I was like, I got 305s in the back. They was like, yeah, your car is supposed to have 315s. And I was like, they can't stop 305, so, but okay, give me some free 315s. Go right ahead. It's scraping, right? Yeah.
Oh. What? What?
I'm fucking freaking out. I over here is like. Woo, okay. I'm good now. I'm good. She good. I'm good.
See her tomorrow?
Huh?
See her tomorrow?
Listen, we about to. I got kids watching. I'm sorry.
Crazy, man.
What's up, Keri's crew? Welcome back. I am so excited. As you can see, I got my girl in the back. Shout out to Big Ben's Auto Service for their fast timing and bringing her to me safe and sound without a scratch. Yeah, so all the work and all the parts and stuff have been fixed. So I'm about to take her for a spin and ATL.